All right, guys, we're doing a 23-24 Finals Basketball Delight Edition. This is 3X Ram Teams 2-box break number 15. This is the last two boxes of our case that we've been working through. It's actually our last two boxes overall on Delight Finest. Roll a die here will determine how many times we randomize a list of participants and teams. Each box break into 3 randomly assigned teams, and all cards will ship for your team. Here we go. Good luck. Add 1 to the next roll. We'll add 1 to 4, which makes 5. All right. Doug Brown at the bottom, box break at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ja Rock at the top, Jacob at the bottom. Blazers top, Wizards bottom, 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grizzlies top, Pelicans bottom. Box break, Pacers, Timberwolves, Nuggets. DNH Martin, Warriors, Cavaliers, Magic. Doug Brown, Sixers, Jazz, Bucks, Raptors, Kings, and Hawks. Insane Collectibles, Blazers, Hornets, Rockets. Jacob, Nets, Lakers, Bulls, Heat, Clippers, and Pelicans. Ja Rock, Grizzlies, Suns, Knicks, Wizards, Pistons, Thunder, Spurs, Celtics, and Mavericks. All right. All right. Isaiah Hartenstein, Refractor, Knicks. Purple to 125, Anthony Simons, Blazers. Blazers for Insane Collectibles. Blue to 150, Manu Ginobili, Spurs to Ja Rock. All right, black refractor number 20, Michael Porter Jr. for the Nuggets to box break. Got a die cut here, 74, Elvin Hayes, Wizards to Ja Rock. Number 74, got a debut die cut, Nick Smith Jr. The Hornets to Insane Collectibles. Got a redemption auto here, which is interesting, to say the least. For the Nets, Noah Clowney, number to 50. Gold Arrivals, Jacob. Okay. All right, and let's see, we got a Black Geometric Masters auto here, Shaq Daddy for the Lakers. Congrats to Jacob. That'll be number to 25. So you can see those a little bit better. Okay. Next up is a blue geometric rookies auto number 99, Isaiah Wong for the Pacers to box break. There's no more of that. We only had 2 cases. We went through both cases. Got a gold geometric number to 20, Tobias Harris for the Sixers to Doug Brown. Trae Young for the Hawks. Refractor. Number to 75, Jason Tatum. Celtics, Ja Rock. Number to 99, Donovan Mitchell, Cavaliers. DNH Martin. All right, got a blue here to 49, Kobe Brown, Clippers to Jacob. Number to 75, Evan Mobley, Cavaliers for DNH Martin. Got a gold showstoppers here to 50, Donovan Mitchell, Cavaliers, DNH Martin. Got a purple debut to 125 for the Wizards, Bilal Coulibaly. Ja Rock. Got a blue Masters auto here, Nick Smith Jr., blue geometric, number to 99. Hornets to Instant Collectibles. Blue rookies auto 99, Kobe Brown, Clippers. Jacob. And a black geometric refractor 25, Chris Paul for the Warriors to DNH Martin. All right. That'll do it for this break. Here's a recap of what we got. 23-24 Finest Basketball, the light, 2-box, 3 X Ram Teams break 15. Here's what we pulled out here. Refractors, Trae Young and Isaiah Hartenstein. Numbered to 150, Manu Ginobili. 125, Anthony Simons, Bilal Coulibaly. Number to 99, Donovan Mitchell. To 75, Jason Tatum and Evan Mobley. Number to 74, Elvin Hayes, Nick Smith Jr. Number to 50, Noah Clowney, Donovan Mitchell. Number to 49, Kobe Brown. Number to 25, Chris Paul. Number to 20, Michael Porter Jr. Number to 20, Tobias Harris. Autographed hits, Blue Masters auto, number to 99, Nick Smith Jr. Blue Rookies autos, number to 99, Isaiah Wong and Kobe Brown. And then we got a black geometric redemption here for the Lakers. Shaq Daddy, Master Autograph, black geometric. All right, I'll be number to 25. That'll do it for the break. Thank you for jumping in. As always, thank you again for your support of Firehand cards. And congrats again to all of our lucky hitters in the break. And until next one.